Class 11th Beginners. This book covers all the important concepts and fundamentals of accountancy, making it an ideal resource for new students planning to opt for the commerce stream in Class 11th. Non-commerce professionals. Additionally, this book is extremely helpful for non-commerce professionals such as doctors, engineers, architects, lawyers, entrepreneurs, management professionals, MBA students, and CA aspirants who want to manage their finances effectively and make smart decisions. Startups. Ideal for startup enthusiasts who want to grasp basic accounting concepts and make smart financial decisions. Businessmen and entrepreneurs. Essential for businessmen who want to improve their financial knowledge and stay ahead of the competition.